Hi. Fancy a cuppa? Morning, Alice. Sure thing, a cup of tea sounds perfect. Where's the kettle? It's on the countertop next to the toaster. Help yourself. Thanks. By the way, have you seen my cereal box? I can't find it anywhere. Oh, I moved it to the pantry. The shelf next to the fridge. Got it. I'll grab it after the tea. Where do we keep the milk? It's in the fridge, bottom shelf, right next to the eggs. Excellent. I'll fix us some breakfast then. Do we have any butter? Yep, it's in the butter dish on the dining table. Don't forget to grab some jam too. Will do. Hey, have you seen the cheese grater? It's in the drawer by the stove, next to the utensils. Perfect, thanks. I'm in the mood for some cheesy eggs. Do we have any fresh veggies? Check the crisper in the fridge. We've got tomatoes and bell peppers. Great. I'll whip up a delicious omelette. Anything else I should grab? Maybe some bread from the bread bin on the kitchen island. Got it. I'll make toast to go with the eggs. This kitchen is like a mini maze. Ha, yeah, but it's all organized chaos. Enjoy your breakfast, James.